Hi, today I am going to show you how to build a rainwater drainage system using milk crates. So all you need the milk crates and cell shade clothes. As you can see, downpipe of my hose end up on the driveway and the water has nowhere to go. But only to the sandy area here. So if it's heavy rain, this area gets flooded. So I decided to install a from away a bit, but I could not find any permanent path. So I decided to use the milk crates for this purpose. So what you need to do, cut this cell shade clothes to the proper size of the milk crates and wrap it up like this. So basically wrap it up. As you can see, milk crates has 4 sides and a bottom side, so water can pass through all 4 sides as well as from the bottom. So wrap it up and then put it on the hole you have created. I have already created the hole, as you can see here. So put on the hole. And then close the hole. So that's it. I think the rainwater will be absorbed by the sand faster than before. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you once again.